Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll to find the security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find more security settings and then tap on encryption and credentials. As you can see, almost at the very bottom of this list, we've got this clear credentials option, so simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. And the credential storage has been erased successfully. This option is not available right now, which is simply a small proof that we just successfully removed the credentials. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.